Hey gang, let's get in a full body workout in just 10 minutes using light weights. We're gonna tone your arms, legs, glutes, and core. No jumping, no stress, just a total body burn. Grab your mat, grab your weights, let's go. All right, ladies, we are starting in a squat pulse. We're dropping low and giving a nice pulse before we stand back up again. Keep your chest lifted and your core tight. Drive your knees out to track over your toes. Don't let them cave in. Weight stays right between the feet. You should feel this light up your quads, glutes, and inner thighs. These small pulses build endurance and tone without bulk. Stay in control and keep breathing. Next, we're gonna sink into a squat and hold. Core tight and chest up. Curl the weights in, then press them straight out. Elbows stay close on the curl. Exhale as you extend forward. You will feel this in your biceps, quads, and core. Keep the tension through the whole movement. Starting with feet really wide, we go side to side into a lunge, pulling the weight back into a row. Hinge forward slightly, squeeze the shoulder blades on the pull. Push off that bent leg to switch. This will target your glutes, inner thighs, and upper back. Just make sure you don't drop your chest when you're going into that row and keep the movement fluid. Stepping into a curtsy lunge, we lift the arms straight out to the sides. Keep your shoulders relaxed and abs tight. Your glutes and outer thighs will fire up on the curtsy, and those arm lifts sculpt your shoulders. Just make sure we continue with that full body control here. And next, we're just going to be switching sides. Drop into a plie squat and we alternate each heel lifting. Curl the arms up as you pulse. Squeeze through your biceps, feel your calves, quads, and inner thighs fire up. This is a balance plus burn, giving us that sculpted strength look. Stepping back into a reverse lunge, we lift both arms up forward. Front knee over ankle, back leg long. Control the lift and try not to swing those dumbbells. You will definitely feel this in that grounded leg as it burns through that quad, hamstring, and glute. Now, we switch sides. Starting on your knees with the weights at the shoulders, as you drive your hips forward up into a thrust, press the weights overhead. As we drop back, the triceps, throw the weights into a tricep extension. Squeeze your glutes at the top. This move is all about the power. Core stays braced and arms stay controlled on the press and the tricep extension. You'll feel this in your glutes, quads, core, and shoulders. Starting down on one knee and the other leg straight out for balance. We are slowly bending to the side, feeling the stretch through your waist with weights staying overhead. Keep your core tight and hips square, no twisting here. Exhale as you lift back up, engaging that side oblique. You will definitely feel this in your obliques, your core, and even a bit in your lower back and thighs. Stay tall, stay controlled, and sculpt that waistline. Gotta keep it balanced, so we switch sides. Lean back slightly and lift your legs. Core is tight and the spine is long. We alternate elbow to opposite knee in a slow, controlled twist. Don't rush, focus on the twist and the control. Keep your chest up and you'll feel this firing up your deep core, obliques, and hip flexors. Start lying back, then sit all the way up and twist toward one knee at the top. Lower down with control, then repeat onto the other side. Keep your feet grounded and core tight. Exhale on the way up and really twist from your waist. This targets your upper abs, obliques, and improves total core coordination. It's full range, full control. Remember, every rep counts. Come into a tabletop position, knees just hovering off the ground. Row one arm at a time, keeping your hips stable. Keep your core braced to avoid rocking. Elbows drive back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This fires up your core, lats, arms, and even quads from holding that hover. Lift those legs up and we're alternating leg extensions as we throw in that bicep tap. This also works the rear delts, the triceps, the shoulders, and of course, really engages that deep core as we're staying in the V-up position. If this becomes too difficult, feel free to tap the foot to the ground instead of extending it straight out. Lift into a glute bridge and hold. Keep the core tight and the hips high. March one knee at a time while extending the weights overhead. Keep your hips level. Don't let them drop as you march. Elbows stay tucked in as you lower and press the weights. You'll feel this in your glutes, hamstrings, triceps, and test your core stability. Control is key. Lie on your back with arms and legs up. Knees bent, core tight. Extend opposite arm and leg out slowly, then return and switch sides. Press your lower back into the mat the whole time. Move with control. Don't rush this movement. This targets your deep core, hip flexors, and improves stability and coordination. The goal is control, not speed, so keep your core locked in. Staying in a crunch position, we're just gonna be fluttering our arms with a palm down position. Make sure you're engaging from the core, not the neck. Now we're switching to a palms up position. This now will target the tricep, the bicep, and the shoulders. Just remember to keep that lower back pressed firmly into the mat. Staying on your back in a lying position, we grab each knee and tuck in tight, fully extending the alternate leg. This works as a bit of a cool down stretch and still targets the deep core control. Starting in a downward dog, lift one leg high, then drive that knee into your chest. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the lift. Engage your core as you pull the knee in tight. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings, then fire up your glutes, core, and shoulders on the drive. Switch to the alternate leg. Tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale and arch your back, lift your chest and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and tailbone. Release the tension and reset. All right, that was quick but powerful. Let me know in the comments where you felt it most. Arms, core, legs, and if you're ready for more, hit that subscribe so you don't miss our next workout.